In this video, I will show you how to download Jellyfin on your Samsung Smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find it helpful. So on your Samsung Smart TV, you want to download Jellyfin on it. Here's what you have to do. You're going to come over to connect to the internet first, then come over to your App Store here and launch your App Store. Once you launch your App Store, the first thing you could do to get the application is come to the search bar and search for the application. But if you want to just use the application on your home screen, just come over here and come over to the application segment. And once you can scroll over here, if you scroll all through here, you will see the application Jellyfin for Android TV. So you click on it, and here's the application description. So Jellyfin is an open source for software media server. No fees, no tracking, no hidden agenda. Get a free server to collect all your audio, video, photos, and more in one place. So that's what the application does for you. And to download it, all you have to do is just click on the download button. The application is going to be downloaded and installed to your Samsung Smart TV. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find this video helpful.